Have you ever come across those perfectly lit vanity setups on Instagram and wondered if you could get the same glam look at home? Well, LuminaPro.co claims to make that happen with its range of beauty room essentials, from Bluetooth vanity mirrors and makeup tables to ring lights and organizers, all designed to bring that studio-level glow to your space. The store has been online since 2020, which gives it a decent runtime compared to new pop-up sites, and it appears active on social media with stylish posts showing off its products. Lumina Pro also lists a working email, phone number, and even a physical address for customer support, something most scam stores skip. Their products look sleek, modern, and definitely aesthetic, especially the LED mirrors that promise perfect lighting for makeup or selfies. However, when you dig deeper, reviews from buyers seem mixed, some praising the quality and fast delivery, while others report slow shipping, damaged packages, or unresponsive customer service. The prices also raise a few eyebrows. They're not exactly cheap, but they sit in that middle range where you expect premium quality, so naturally expectations are higher. What's interesting is that while Lumina Pro shows real videos and posts, some of their product photos seem overly polished, like stock images. That doesn't make it a scam, but it does make you wonder how true to life the items really look. Overall, Lumina Pro appears to be a legit business with room for improvement, not a clear scam, but not flawless either. If you love creating that dreamy influencer-style vanity setup and don't mind waiting a bit for delivery, it might be worth a try, but if you're expecting fast service and guaranteed perfection, you may want to explore more established beauty brands first.